Hello, can you hear me? Of course you can. Yeah, it's the ClearDryve headset from Rand McNally. It cuts out up to 95% of outside sound, thanks to the advanced noise suppression and this flexible mic. See what I mean? Now, some noise can be good, like when your team makes the winning shot. But sometimes it's not so great. Like when your twin brother calls and you can't hear a word you're saying over the wind, those air brakes, or all that road noise. But now, I simply connect my phone via Bluetooth to ClearDryve. The result? Crystal clear calls. ClearDryve is a game changer, but not just because it eliminates the noise better. ClearDryve is actually two amazing products in one. I can unclip the head pad, attach the other ear cup, and boom. Premium noise canceling headphones. Thanks to the acoustical seal, the sound is amazing. When I activate noise cancellation, ClearDryve cancels out 90 to 95% of the ambient noise for a pristine listening experience. And because I no longer have to crank up the volume to compensate for the outside noise, I'm actually saving my ears from potential damage. One more thing. Rand McNally understands that we wear these all day, so comfort and durability are crucial. All ClearDryve headsets are built to last with precision stitching and premium materials, including ultra plush memory foam. So ClearDryve doesn't only sound great, but it looks great and feels great too. Check out the full line of ClearDryve 2-in-1s from Rand McNally and experience the ClearDryve effect.